What's up, Jascari Squad? Today we are making some chocolate milk tea. So we need some strong brewed tea. I'm using this breakfast blend, which is mostly black tea in there. Then I have this instant boba here, these tapioca pearls, and I pour them into the hot water. When they float to the top, I have to cover it up with a lid and let it cook for only 5 minutes. That is so fast. Look at all those beautiful bobas. Now I'm working on my sea salt foam. That is some heavy whipping cream with some sea salt, just 2 ingredients to make that. I have this little milk frother here that's gonna do the job for me. I just have to hit the little snowflake button to get a cold milk foam. I'll probably have to hit that button about 3 times so it gets nice and foamy. Looks like the boba's almost done. Now the instruction says to cover it for 5 minutes. Next I'll get 2 bags of hot cocoa and add some hot water to dissolve the hot cocoa. The boba is strained. Next we need to add some honey and stir that in real well. This way the boba will be sweet and delicious and they don't stick to each other. I really like the little golden one, and the orange one's the best. Add some to the bottom of your cup. Now the tea is ready. I'm going to add some tea into this container and add some sweet condensed milk. This will be the milk tea part of this drink. I'm adding some crushed ice and pouring a half and half mixture of half of the milk tea and half of the hot cocoa, and I have to leave space at the top for our sea salt milk foam. Here comes that delicious topping. And finish us off with some hot cocoa powder. After I made this, I had enough leftovers to make another chocolate milk tea. And this tastes extra chocolatey. The tea taste doesn't really come in that much when you taste this. It really just tastes like a really rich chocolate drink. And that sea salt foam really complements the chocolate. And this drink looks really beautiful. I love that 3-layer look. And look how beautiful it is when you stir it up. And it's actually really interesting. Look at this, when you press the straw down, it makes these nice white stripes. This is actually really interesting to mix because it doesn't mix right away. It's almost like you can play and make pictures in there. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone, and please subscribe. We have a lot more videos coming out soon.